Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Mathematics for beginner, arithmetics, class 7. Title of our lesson is least common multiple. In this lesson we will explain about least common multiple. First we want to define the concept of multiple and common multiple. Multiple those number which are divisible by a number A are called multiple of A. It is the definition of multiple. We show the multiple of a number by M. Example, find multiple of 5 and 8. First one, multiple of 5 is equal to those number which are divisible by 5. We want to write here 5 is divisible by 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and so on. This number are multiple of number 5. Second one, multiple of 8. Those number which they are divisible by 8 itself 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and so on. It means it is the meaning of multiple. Those number which is divisible by a number. If we want to find the multiple of a number 8, those number which we listed inside the bracket, they are divisible by 8. Second one, common multiple. When two or more numbers have the same numbers as their multiples, those multiples are said to be common multiple. It is the definition of common multiple. We show the common multiple of two or more numbers by MC. CM. Common multiple. We took the letter of C from here and letter of M from here. Example, find the common multiples of the following numbers. Number 1, number 1, 5, 6. Number 2, 18. Number 3, 4, 5. First one, solution. First we want to find the multiple of each numbers. M of 5 is equal to multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on. Number 2, multiple of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and so on. Now, common multiple of these two numbers, common multiple of 5 and 6 is equal to, here we have 30, here also we have 30. If we continue these numbers, we get 60, 90, and so on. They are the common multiples of 5 and 6. Question 3, multiple of 4. We want to find common multiple of 4 and 5. Multiple of 4 are 5, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and so on. Multiple of 5 is equal to, multiple of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on. Multiple of 4 and 5, common multiple of 4 and 5 is equal to, we have 20 in both. Here also we have 20, here also we have 20. 20 is the common multiple between 4 and 5, and also 40, 60, and so on. They are common multiple of 4 and 5. Now we want to find least common multiple of 2 or more numbers. Now we want to explain the notion of least common multiple, or we can say LCM. LCM. We want to define here the least common multiple or LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of those numbers or LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by all the given numbers. Example: here is some example. Find the LCM of the following number 1 5 10, number 2 6 8, number 3 12 18 24, number 4 30 20 14. Now solution of this example. For solving this question 1 and up to 4, we use the following steps. Number 1, we want to find the LCM of 5 and 10. LCM 5 and 10 is equal to question mark. Step 1, identify the common multiple of all the given number. In first step, we say that we have to identify the common multiple of all number which is giving 5 and 10 is the numbers which is giving 5 and 10. Now we know that first if we want to find the common multiple of numbers, we have to find their multiples. Multiple of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, and so on. Multiple of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and so on. Now, common multiple of 5 and 10, step 2. It is step 2. In step 2, we find common multiple of giving number. Common multiple of 5 and 10. Those number which is exist in both multiples, and those number which are multiple of 5 and multiple of 10, those number are common multiples. So Here 20 is common multiple. 20, 30, 40. We have 40 in both brackets. 60 here, we have also 60 here, 60, and so on. Least common, step 3. Here we want to choose least common, LCM. 5 and 10 is equal to the least common multiple. Here here 20 is the smallest common multiple of 5 and 10. So we choose 20 as LCM of 5 and 10. 20 is the smallest numbers which is divisible by 5 and 20. From 20 we don't have less than 20 which is divisible by 10 and 15. If we took 15, 15 is divisible by 5, but 15 is not divisible by 20, by 10. It is the concept of least common multiple. Here 6 and 8. We want to find the least common multiple of 6 and 8. Multiple of 6 is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 56, 48, 64, 54, 60, and so on. Multiple of 8 is equal to 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and so on. Common multiple of 6, 8 is equal to, here we have 24, here also we have 24. Here we have 48, also we have 48, and so on. LCM of this number, LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to the least common multiple is 24. It was the concept of least common multiple. The next class we will find least common multiple by prime factorization. Thank you.